Hello there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video we are working on the store the all input fields data into our MySQL database. And also I'm adding two new input fields like meta text and meta description for also working on the SEO, because someone told me to do that. Okay, so let's do that. So welcome back. Now I'm going to my text editor, and as my okay, in the last video I also write this line for debug all the things. But now the first thing is to do that, to fetch the all categories which are already stored into our database. As you can see, here is our database. Okay, so I'm going back to my text editor, and here is my add post info field, and I add $data fetch underscore cat equal to $this db get, and the table name is post underscore category. Okay, sorry, my bad. Post underscore category, and I pass this $data variable into my view function. So $data, and also coming back to my article form, and okay, here is my option field. So I remove all other options, and I write a PHP tag. So PHP, and I run a loop of for each. So for each, and it's a fetch underscore cat. So $fetch cat as underscore cat colon, and I close these things. And after the option tag, I again open a PHP tag, and then write and for each for stop the for each loop. Okay, let's open my PHP my admin. So here is my PHP my admin, and yeah, new and purely, and here is my post category. So here is my post underscore category underscore id. So I just write my object of this for loop. So PHP echo $cat and object $category. What is that? Post underscore category underscore id. Okay, so post underscore category underscore id. And also I copy this same thing and paste it here. And what is the title of that category? Post underscore category underscore title. So I just write this title. Okay, now save this and going to my form page and refresh. Okay, here is my add new post form. Okay, sorry, I forgot that thing. You are you are just fetch that, not define what's the type of that all the data. So it's a result. Now I refresh that again, and as you can see here, my latest news and software option. Now I'm again going to my add category field and type slider and save it. Now we have the three options. Now let's check into our form. As you can see, we have the three options available at this select multiple select tag. We have latest news software science slider. Okay. Now the next thing is to add the meta tag and meta tag description input field at here. So I'm going back to my article form, and at here, okay, so I just copy this div. I just copy this div and I paste it here and change the post meta tags, and, also change this thing uh, in the for, and change the name meta tags, change the id to same as my level for attribute, and post meta tags. Save and check in the browser again. Refresh. Now we have the post meta tags input field. Now after that, I'm again copy this thing, I paste it here, and now let's change it with meta underscore description, and I copy this thing and paste it here in the name and also in the id, and post meta description. I change into the placeholder, so description. Okay, sorry. Okay, I think we need to take a text area. Okay, maybe it's suitable because the input field is not suitable at here. I take text area and I just copy this meta description and paste it into the name, also in the id, and take a class, and the class is form control, and I remove the 30 and I remove this 2, and I copy this placeholder. Okay, cut this placeholder and paste it into the text area tag, and I remove this input field. Okay, now let's save it and check in the browser. Refresh. Now we have the text area. Okay, take the row attribute into text rows is equal to 5. Okay, now save and refresh. Okay, all is okay, working good. Okay, after that I want to take a heading of this post thumbnail, so at the here in the form group I take a heading of h3 and write the post thumbnail and refresh. Okay, now it's looking good. When I click on this, okay, it's working fine. Now I'm going back to my academy controller, and I replace with again with the post, or check all the things are working fine with the extra meta tags and meta description fields. So I open my network area and I just type the post title, my first title my description, and select a category which is software, and this is meta tag, meta comma tags comma anything, and this is meta description, and click on the publish. Now check. Okay, now we have my first title and description. We have my description. I have the category ID. We have the meta tags, and then we have the meta description too. Now the all is working fine. Okay. Now I'm going back to my admin controller, and in the save article method, I just remove this printer and start working on the some functional for store all the data into our database. So first of all, we need to validate our all the input fields data. I mean, which are required or which are not required. So the things is $this form validation and set rules. So first we have the post title. Okay, let's check. As you can see, here is the name attribute, and we have the post title. So I replace with the post title in the first parameter, and the second parameter we need to give the reading string. So post title, and it's required. So I write required. Okay. Now we have the description and description category. Okay, and also we have the meta tags. So I just copy this line and paste it multiple times, and I copy with the description, post description, and also it's required to, and category, and replace with the post category, and also it's required to the meta tags. So again I copy this meta tags and paste it here. Okay, the post meta tags fields is also required, and I copy this again, and also copy the meta description field too, and paste it here, and meta description, and it's also required too. Now we need to set the error delimiters. So in the save category ID, okay, here is it. I just copy this line of the set error delimiters from the save category method. I paste it into our save article field set method. Also I write a comment for set error delimiters of validation. Now if our form validations are running successful, okay, it's gave me a suggestion. You know why it's automatically give me suggestion? Because I'm using the tab9 widget from which is provided by the VS Code extension. Okay, so if it's successfully run, then it's pass the data. So it's run. Okay, let me check. I just echo this thing. Okay, my bad. echo success. Either way, else print echo something went wrong. Now check again, and now at this time we don't need to refresh this because it's our front end and it's our backend. So I simply click on the publish and click on the save article. It's success. And when you remove all the things from the meta text and meta description. Okay, I forgot to write it into word level. So again I click on the publish. Something went wrong. Okay, that's now it's working fine. But first of all we need to correct some things. And I'm going back to my article form, and here is my meta descriptions. Now save and refresh. Okay, now the next step is to make a new table of the post and set the post date columns name. So I'm click on the new, create a new table, and I write the name of the posts. First of all we have the post underscore id, post underscore title, post underscore slug underscore url, post underscore description. Okay, take the 5 more lines, post description, and after that post underscore category, post underscore thumbnail, post meta tags, post underscore meta underscore description, and post created ad. Okay, now the first thing is to make it auto increment and it's primary, and upload set this at a text. Either we can also set with the variable character and set the length is to 255, same as same 255. And for the post description I take the text type variable character. For the post category and just set it with the 50 or 20. For the post thumbnail, okay, set with the 50. For the post thumbnail I'm also set with the variable character and set the length with 255. Okay, set all of them with the variable character and set the length is 255. And for the post created ad I take the timestamps. Okay, and in the timestamps we don't need to set the length or value. Nice, click on save. Now come back to my admin controller. Now let's work on the success field. I write a comment if it is success. Okay, yeah, if it is success. Now take a data variable, and I take an array field. It's an array, and first of all we need to take the post underscore title. The it's the name of the data table column name, post title. Now second one is post underscore slug underscore URL. Okay, before doing that, we need to pass the input field post. So dollar this input post, and that's it, post underscore title. Okay, so yeah, after that I just copy this line and paste it here. Okay, so what is that? A post slug underscore URL. I copy it here. Now for the make it a slug, we need to take the slug URL title. So let's move back to the save category. As you can see, we have also a URL title attributed here. So I just copy this line, copy this function, and paste it here, and I just change the category title with this post underscore title and set with the dash, and it's true. Now we have the post description. So post description, and it's a description only. So I just copy this input field name and paste it here, and fifth is post underscore category. So I copy this and paste it here. So, and here is category. Okay, the next thing is post underscore thumbnail. Okay, but for the thumbnail we are working in later. First let's copy the meta tags. This is meta tags. Okay, and after that, what is the next thing is post meta underscore description. So I copy this line, I paste it here, and array. Let's give a automatically scripted that, because the timeline feature is very good thing to do that. If you want this extension, so just go to your extension and type tab 9, and after this just click on that and install these things, and it's help you for, and it's working with multiple languages like Python, TypeScript, PHP, Go, Java, Node.js, Ruby, C++, HTML, and all the things. Okay, now I save it, and I save it, and I insert that all the data into our database. So I just type if. Okay, first of all, I dollar this Devi insert, and our table name is posts. So posts, and there is my dollar data. Okay, and if it is success, then I take a variable of JSON normal, a normal JSON variable, and I just take an array and set the status, and the status code is 200 of success message, and also pass a message. It's a success. Okay, and else I pass the 203 of the error and failed. Okay, and also okay, let's just save this thing and check in the browser and just refresh these things. Okay, for it we don't need to refresh this, but let's see. Okay, I just type the first title, description, I select the category, and I just take some meta tags and meta description. I click on the publish. Let's check save article. It's nothing to show, so maybe it's working. Let's check in the browse. Now we have the first title, and the first hyphen title has my post description, has my post category, meta tags, and we have our description. And also let's also save a auto generated time from our system. Now it's time to work on the upload this post image. So how can you do that? For making it, we need to take a variable, sorry, take a library of this CodeIgniter framework is upload. So first of all, we need to set some parameters of this uploading feature. So take a variable, a config, and I pass some parameter into an array. The allowed types is JPG or PNG or JPEG or GIF, and also we need to set the upload path. So upload underscore path, I just create a upload path. Okay, so dot upload. Okay, just semicolon, and now I just initiate this config variable into our library. So I just load my library. So $this load library upload, and initiate this config variable at here. Okay, just write a comment, load the library. Okay, load the upload library. Okay, and in the same line of this validation error, okay, change the line, and $this upload, this upload is our library name. So $this upload, and it's have a inbuilt method in the CodeIgniter's core system. So do upload. Okay, we need to pass the input sorry, a file name. So I'm going to the article underscore form and check the file input file name, input type file, the name is post underscore thumbnail. So just copy this and pass it pass this name at here as a parameter. If it's uploaded, if it's uploaded, so it's will be upload the data into our upload folder. So I take again a variable which is dollar data again. You can set anything. I just pass this with a dollar data or a file. So file underscore data equal to dollar this upload data. Okay, if you want to check what's happening in this, so I just type to print underscore r and just copy this thing and paste it here, and I just break all the things from here. I print I write the die function, and also echo the pre tag, echo pre. Okay, I click on the publish. Okay, again I click on publish and it's nothing to show. Check and select the file name, and what's happening under, maybe it's gave some error. So I just come back to the else failed area, type upload underscore error, and I pass the up display error. So dollar this upload display errors. Okay, and also I echo this JSON. So echo JSON encode and JSON. Okay, we don't need to pass the semicolon. Now check in the browser again, click on the publish. It's a okay, it's gave the upload path not appear to be valid. Okay, so I'm coming back to my the project folder, and in the root folder I make a new folder which name is upload, because we already assigned this at the top of this method. Okay, now check again, click on the publish, and okay, so as you can see, I print this file data, and we got the result of that. So we have the file name, which name is HSC copy to, and the file type, we have the file path, file full path, the raw name, original file name, client name, file, what is the extension of this file name, it's the JPG. Okay, it's also we also got the file size and quantity, and is it image or not. Okay, so we got all the things. Now I just remove this and I take the full path of this. Okay, also let's check into the upload folder. Okay, as you can see, we also got the file into our upload folder. Okay, so now we have the file data. Now we need to set the file path for store this into our database. So I just take a variable which is the file underscore path. You can set anything, you can take the any kind of variable name like file path name or file path as you want. Okay, so the file path, I take the base URL Now in the base URL we have the upload folder. Okay, so I just upload and I concatenate with $data raw name. Okay, so as you can see we have the raw name, and either way we can take anything like the extension and all things, but I take this the file name. Okay, so I just take the file name $data file name. Okay, it's a file data, sorry, file underscore data. And now we need to set this file data into our database. So what's the column name of that? It's a post underscore thumbnail, which is placed with the post underscore category. So post underscore thumbnail. So single inverted comma and the post underscore thumbnail. It's our tab column name, and also I pass this file path at here. Now click on this again, publish, and we got the success message. Click on the browse. Now we have the first title and the things, and also we got the post thumbnail, and as you can see we also got the file into our upload folder. Okay, now after that I just write the some validation link at here. So sorry, validation text at here. Like if I forget to write the first title and I also forget to these things and click on the publish, it's not showing us anything because it's a print up failed message. So in the display error, sorry, I mean into our failed message, we need to write something else like the title error and the description error. So I write a title underscore error array arrow and a form underscore error, which is a predefined method of the in CodeIgniter form error, and pass the input field name into this method name. So post underscore title. So description underscore error, and after that cat underscore error, and what is the name? It's category. Okay, after that meta tag error, meta tag underscore error, and this is meta tags. It's just so I just copy this. It's meta tags, and after that meta descriptions, meta description error, form error is meta description. Okay, and now click on the save and let's check. Now click on the again on the publish button. And as you can see, we got this title error only. And when I clear this things or again and click on the publish, as you can see, we got the description. Okay, why we are not getting the description error? Okay, it's only description, not post description. So again, pass this thing. Okay, I set it into separate space. Okay. Okay, that's looking nice, because the alignment of the coding is look, it's okay, sorry, because the alignment of the coding is, it's present you as a good coder. Coding alignment is is very good practice for every kind of developer. Now again, click on the post and check the save article. And also we got a description error and the meta description error, meta tag error, title error. Okay, now we need to represent them into our article form. So I'm coming back to the my jQuery function of the article form. So here is my footer, and okay, just a minute. Also click on the console. Okay, so as you can see, also got this all the message into our console. So if we got the status 203, so if our response status is equal to 203, it's present some validations into our article form. So I dollar the dollar for these things. Okay, it's the title underscore error. So I just copy this thing for make it easier, and title error dot html response dot title error. Okay, and also take this. I just set this dot for take make it into set it into the class. So I just copy this and I'm going back to my article form, and at the line of the post title, I just take a span tag span dot post title error and save, and let's check into the browser again. Let's refresh this page and click on the publish. Okay, we got the post title field is required message at here. So it's a description error. So in the article form, just copy these things again dot. Okay, I just want to tag the span not div, and cat underscore error. Okay, meta tag error. So copy this After the input field, I just take a span dot error meta description error. So I put it into after the text area, so dot meta description error, and for the image it's upload error, so I just copy this and put it after this image tag span dot this footer dot php. Okay, so I just description error and put it at here. Okay, first of all I just copy the same line for multiple times, and now we got this description error. When you got it, this description error, we have also the same response. Okay, so we don't need to worry about it. I just copy this cat error and paste it at here as a class name, and also as a response. Cat error for the meta tag error. Simply you just need to just copy this from here to footer. I mean footer file, and also we need to show the error upload error. Okay, and if you got the success message, so if it's 200, okay, yeah, okay, if we got the success message, like if we got the response dot status equal to 200, then it's just present a alert or show a alert message. Post has been successfully, okay, post has been uploaded successfully. I just save this and click on the, okay, refresh this page, and I just simply click on the publish. Okay, now we got the all this error. First title error. Now click on the publish, it's gone, and then type the description, it's gone, and it's already selected by default software and meta tag, and I click on the publish. Now it's, so I say it's okay, it's maybe black text. So I'm going back to my article form, and I just take another class into the upload error, text danger. Okay, I just write something, anything else, कोई कुछ, okay, and also into the description, click on the publish. Now we got a red message at here, but when I click select a file and click on the publish, post has been uploaded successfully. Okay, and now we got this thing. So I hope you can understand how can you upload and save all the data into our database and fetch all the validation message into your article form. So in the next video we are working on the fetch all the post data into our web page and set the pagination, and also fetch every single post into our a model or another things. Okay, so meet you soon in the next video, and stay with me. Happy coding.